Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to walk you through a 2018 150 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Starting off on the bow, we have a foldable bow cushion, and beneath that we have finished out anchor storage, full bow rail with a cleat and a chock forward. The black rub rail is standard, cushioned cooler seat with a backrest that includes 4 rod holders, bimini top with black canvas, windscreen and console rail, dedicated tackle storage to the starboard side of the console, on top of the console you have 2 strategically placed cup holders in addition to a power source for your electronics. There's also a 3rd cup holder to the right of the throttle and plenty of space on the dash to flush mount any electronics. The helm seat has an adjustable backrest that moves fore and aft. We have stern rails that are standard, a portable fuel tank beneath the helm seat, dedicated bucket storage on both sides, a total of 6 rod holders and 2 cup holders that surround an aft live well. This is a white hull with black graphics, powered by a 60 horsepower command thrust Mercury engine. And the boat comes with a trailer that includes a swing tongue. That's a look at our 150 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and be sure to visit us online at MarineMax.com. Thank you.